We are making our garlic ginger stir-fry sauce. Use this to make your favorite stir-fry recipes. We use it for our chicken and broccoli stir-fry as well as our veggie stir-fry. Both recipes are linked. Combine 1 cup of broth, chicken or veggie are good options, with 2 tablespoons each of dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. Now add 2 tablespoons of one of the following: Shaoxing wine, dry sherry, or Mirin. Shaoxing is the most authentic choice, but we share substitutions in the recipe on Inspired Taste. To finish the sauce, add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. You can use the sauce as is or turn it into garlic ginger sauce with lots of fresh minced ginger and garlic. We aren't shy when it comes to the garlic and ginger. For the garlic, we need about 3 tablespoons minced, so 5 to 6 cloves should do it. We need about the same amount of ginger as the garlic. I use a spoon to peel the ginger and then mince it finely. As always, the recipe on Inspired Taste has lots of tips, including an explanation of ingredients and possible substitutions, including a non-alcoholic option for the wine. Now use the sauce straight away or store in an airtight container, refrigerate, and use within 2 days. And that's it, our favorite stir-fry sauce. We love it. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.